I have done my Bachelor of Fine Arts in Applied Arts and Master of Arts in Drawing and Painting. I got this opportunity to learn Tanjore style of painting from the National Museum in 2016, and from there I developed my interest towards this style. This style has been originated from southern India, Tanjore, and it involves a lot of representation of gods and goddesses in their divine form. So I wanted to experiment with these themes and do something new with the style. So I started my research in this direction, and I came across a lot of books. I paid a lot of visits to the museums, and I found a lot of references, but they were all in monotone. Whereas I wanted to paint something realistic with my paintings, as I've always liked to paint the portraits. So I was looking for the references which would be in color. But as my themes were about kings and queens of India, there were not many references which were in color. When this movie Padmavat got released, I got a reference in which there was a queen which was all ornamented and it was all in color. So it kind of worked as a bridge for me for my rough ideas to come on the canvas. I started studying Deepika Padukone and Padmavat, and I got influenced by the jewelry and the overall look of her as a queen. And that is why I have chosen this theme for my first painting, because there was a lot of detail that I could go through and I could implement it on the canvas. As you can see in this one, I have used a lot of gold leaf, which is 23.5 carat. I have chosen pearl and kundan in the jewelry that has been specially ordered from Tanjore. I have chosen acrylic medium to paint the work, as traditionally it is done with the natural colors. This is how I have tried to bring two styles together. One is realism, that is an influence of West, and another is Tanjore. It took me 8 months to complete this painting. Although it took a lot of time for me to finish this artwork, it was all worth it, as it had come out to be very close to what I had imagined it to be. And that gave me this confidence of moving on to another one. And for that I have chosen the theme of Rani Jimnabai II, and that is my second painting. In this one also I have chosen golden leaf work, and the pearl and kundan again has been used in this painting as well. Apart from gold, I have used a little silver in her toes. This one is the full figure of Rani Jimnabai II, and she has been shown holding the gun, as she was also a tremendous shooter. Again, for the realism, I have chosen the acrylic colors, and this painting has taken me 4 months. Through the study of my first painting, I had learned a lot, and I had learned to manage my time and had regained the skills that I had learned before. She was a social worker and she worked towards women empowerment. She eradicated a lot of practices that were oppressing women, like Parda Pratha. She went on to become the first president of All India Women Conference. As I read about her, I got inspired to paint her as one of my paintings. I would love to bring more such real life stories to life through my canvas. I am glad to collaborate with Katwa Foundation through Saloni Walwa. I would like to congratulate all the other participants for the exhibition. As this is going to be the first show of my paintings, I am really looking forward to it.